Hi, I'm Jacob from Hydro Systems, and I'm going to show you how to program an AutoDose unit. So, first step I'm going to do is wake it up. It has batteries, so to save batteries, it goes to sleep. So I'm going to wake it up just by hitting the enter button, and right now you'll see the time displayed. So if I wanted to program, I can just hold this program button and ask me if I want to program. I'm going to hit enter. And it's going to kind of be like a wizard. I'm just going to keep stepping through everything. So ask me to use a user pin. So I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to use the plus and minus to enter 1000. That's the default pin. So 1000, and I can just keep hitting the enter. And we get a valid. All right, so it's going to step me through. It's going to ask me, hey, what the current time is, and it is 11:18, but if I needed to change it, I can use the plus and minus buttons. So I'm going to enter. Same thing. All right, then ask me the date. If I want to change it, I can use the plus and minus. It is Thursday. All right, dispense units. So depends if I'm working in metric units or standard US units. So I am in US, so I'm going to choose ounces. If I didn't want to change to milliliters, I could do that as well. So we'll go back to ounces. Here we're going to program the dispense amount. So for every event, it's going to dispense this amount of chemical. So I can go in ½ ounce increments. Let's just do 3 ounces. All right, so the dispense days. So it's going to ask us, hey, do we want to do this daily? We could only do weekdays. We could only do weekends. Or we could do something special depending on what the application or what the setup is. But typically, we'll just do this daily. All right, and the dispense time. So here's where we program each event. So event 1, we're gonna do it at 4 a.m. If we wanted to change it, we can just use the plus and minus to change it. Stored. Event 2, let's go 9 a.m. We'll keep it there. And event 3, let's go 2 p.m. Then event 4, heck, let's go 7 p.m. And let's say we'll stop after this. And once I get to event 5, I can just hit my program button and it says done, and we're done. And so I'm just gonna de-enter to go back, and then we have the time displayed, and we're done programming.